So I have a project this summer that I need to get done, and it's this calving shed behind me. So what I'm going to do is walk you through all the sections in there that I need to work on. None of it is picked up or prearranged, so it looks better. It's kind of how it is after we've had some calves in there and had some fans going on some hot cows, and just going to show you what and talk about what I want to get done, and then I will show you how I'm doing it and do some time lapse of that. So as we're walking into the shed, we have the first calving pen here. It's a 10 by 10. It's for the smaller first calf heifers, and it just kind of just needs cleaned out. Nothing, not a whole lot here. It's mostly a pass-through gate system that we have from the open front part, and they walk through here, through that gate, and then this other gate into the calving pens. So we have a hot box here, a calf warming box. It needs to be moved back and all the stuff on top of it put away and cleaned up. I also, let me show you this behind here. Not sure exactly what I want to do behind here, because it's a section that we have that's just an open space that's kind of collect all. You can see it, what it is. But I need to move this hot box back, and I'm not sure what to do with this section behind it because it's just like a dead space, and I need to clean it up and move some stuff out of here. But that's part of the job. Then I want to clean up this hallway, get all this straw and hay and stuff out of the hallway, get it cleaned up. I'm going to clean these pens up, probably move the stuff from the hallway into the pens. You can see we have the fans on in here for when the cows would get hot and they come in, and we turn some fans on them. This is our, since the cows that we have in here, they're about to calf, so that's why we try to keep them cooler. And then this is just the third calving pen. I'm just going to get it kind of organized, kind of cleaned up, and again move the straw that's out here into this pen, and then I will show you the other section. Okay, we're walking through the 10 by 10 pen, going through this gate, and what the project I really need to get done is this fencing here. We had a cow break through this winter when she was calving, and well, I guess it wasn't winter, it was more like the end of March. Anyway, she broke through that. You can see where it's kind of broke up. I need to replace that panel, get rid of these. These are hog crate sides. I'm going to get rid of those. We used to put hay in those, kind of like a lean-to hay thing, but I'm going to get rid of those. Take this panel out, and this panel down here is good, so that's staying, and not a whole lot to do, but just wanted to show you what I'm going to be working on. Off and those two hog crate sides, but now I'm trying to get these steeples out. I'll show you. Put this down. There's one here, and there's another one at the bottom. But the problem is they're this long. Let me see. They're that long, and they're not wanting to come out of these posts. So that's what's taking a little while to get done. They're just not wanting to come out. Like I got another one there. Hold on, that whole thing's gonna come off because I think that's the last steeple. Okay, so after a little help with my son, we got those panels down. This is the one we're leaving up because it's in good shape. The short one that was over here, we're just bending it. There's just a short bend in it, and we're bending it back just to put it back because it was just a section that goes right here. So we're cleaning this up right now, and then we got this big board here that's got to go back. And I'm not sure if we're going to do that first or last, but I got to clean this section out while we got it opened up, and we'll move that hot box towards back this way to give the cows a little more room on the other side to make that curve, that turn right there to go down the hallway. So this is the progress we've had so far, and just doing some cleanup now. Okay, so I've got that cleaned out, and after I got it cleaned out and was trying to move that box by myself, that I thought, you know, those gates aren't attached anymore to anything except the front. And I'm thinking if we take these gates out, all these gates out, we can get this floor cleaned out really well with a loader instead of me doing it with a pitchfork, of course. But we could take all those gates out and line them up, clean this out, open that big sliding door, get that loader in here and really clean that out, and put some lime down on the ground, and, you know, kind of like start for new on that, on the flooring. I think that's what we're going to do. Also, this box here, I think would work well if we move it over here next to the door, and then we have that 10 by 10 pin from here to where the box is. So we're still going through the 10 by 10 pin, but we won't have this blind space right here. We'll move that box over here, and then we'll have the whole front part that we can actually work and have, you know, space that's usable, so we don't have this empty spot right here that's just kind of a catch-all. So I think that's what we're going to do. It's going to take a lot more time, a lot more work, but I think we're going to do that because I think we really need to get this place cleaned out, and now's the time to do it since I've already got it halfway opened up and started. So it's going to take some more work, but I think that's what we should be doing. See how it works out. Stay tuned.